Look at my pedal, it is a wood in a bunch of Lego mechanism and a wire. I tape it. I think it works. Let's see. The steering wheel probably has force feedback. I don't know. Yeah, it works. I don't know why it works. Hey, it's your Ninja, and I'll be attempting to drift this That Wish Garage Nissan 240 SX Urus with my custom livery of Itasha. Just the map is Drift Playground 2021, and I tweaked the file a little, the extension ini file, the extension .ini file, because my GPU couldn't afford so or pure, and I'm using like this old Dell 32 for the triple monitor, so it's a very budget PC. RTX 3050, yeah, by Samsung. What is power without throttle control?
I ain't tripping off